Okay, we're ready to do a tail spool reload using the rewinder here, and I deliberately set the clutch to give a tension on the line of 2 pounds on the slip setting, and 2 pounds is low. The setting should be 4.5 pounds. So what this is going to give is a loose wind. The tension on the line isn't really going to be adequate when we're doing rewinding. It won't be as bad, obviously, as if the clutch is in an off position and there's very little tension at all, but it still won't be up to the task of giving you the best performance from the probe as it's dropping. So we're ready to rewind here, the clutch in the slip position. We'll go. You may notice, if you look really carefully when you're doing this, that compared to a new winch or a winch that's properly adjusted, the amount of movement in the line here is greater. With the tension being lower, there's less pull on the line, keeping it taut. So you'll see there's already signs here that this isn't quite right. But looking here at the tail spool, everything looks fine at this point. This may be a condition where the winch has been used for some time and no checks have been made, and the clutch has loosened somewhat over time, which will happen, and led to the rewinder tension being too low. So it's always a good idea to check this periodically, certainly before leaving for every cruise. Well, one indication there is quite a big run on when the rewinding stopped. You wouldn't usually see quite this much line run on when you stop the rewinder. So it's another indication that this tension is too low. Anyway, I'll take the spool off. We can see here it's a lot tighter than the wind will be with the clutch in the off position doing a rewind. I showed on another video, but you can still see there's a decent amount of movement in the line, so you can move the line up and down. It's kind of squishy, so this is soft, and what's going to happen when this is falling, you can get line coming off in lumps and clumps, and also you will get a very variable drop rate, which will on the average be slower. So this isn't going to drop as fast as a properly wound tail spool.